Oh yeah, baby. Mama's got a new toy. And I played with baking today. I've made some bread. Today we are going to talk about the Anadama bread, and you'll get the full recipe to know how to make it at home. I got myself an artisan KitchenAid stand mixer. It is the 5-quart. This is not a review or an unboxing. I'm just showing off my new toy. I am so excited. I already made bread with it. And I love this machine. If I could take it to bed with me, I would. It is such a beautiful workhorse compared to the shitty stand mixer I had before. I'm not gonna name it because I had gotten it free. But this one I paid, although I got like almost a 50% rebate. And it's just freaking amazing. I love it. I'm so happy. Rise number 1, rise number 2, shaped and ready for rise number 3. Time to put these two babies in the oven. The Anadama bread is from New England in the United States, and it is made with whole wheat flour, cornmeal, and molasses. This is a sourdough version that I made, and I also added some seeds like hemp, sesame, poppy, and I also added a little bit of coconut. Are you enjoying this bread food porn? If you do, make sure to give this video a big like. To get more videos and recipes of delicious baked goods like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos to come.